Hey Couch Crazies, it's Alex with Couchdotcom, and today we are going to talk about buying sofas. That's what we do here at Couchdotcom. We like to make you feel more comfortable about buying new couches. It's a super easy process, unless you make a mistake. Buying a couch doesn't have to be the hardest thing in the world, as long as you avoid these simple 8 things. So here they are. Number 1, buying without measuring. Measuring is extremely important, and it's very important that you do it before you go shopping online or at the retail store. Because if you don't know what size you're looking for, you may end up spending hours looking in the wrong direction or the wrong department. No one wants a love seat when you should be buying a sectional. Number 2, neglecting comfort. Comfort is extremely important. In fact, some may argue it's the most important thing when buying a couch. So make sure you know what type of comfort you're looking for. Comfort is subjective after all, so if there's another decision maker in your household that may have differing opinions on this subject, it may be best to have that conversation before you go couch shopping. Number 3, skipping the frame inspection. Now you don't have to wear your frame inspector hat to do this one. Just pick up the sofa or give it a little shove just to make sure it doesn't slide across a showroom floor if you're looking at it. Number 4, ignoring upholstery material. So many times I've heard from many friends and customers that they got the wrong fabric on their couch. I didn't realize it wasn't going to be good for kids. I didn't realize my cats would love it. Test different fabrics before you go couch shopping or make your final selection so that you understand exactly what types of fabric you're looking for. You certainly wouldn't want to fall in love with a chenille when what you really need is a velvet. Number 5, ignoring cushion quality. Now it may seem obvious that you don't want a couch with badly made cushions. Of course, we all understand that. However, it's more of the quality of the cushions that you should be concerned with. Some customers really like down, but some customers like foam. Now the difference between those two can be quite stark, and it's very important to understand exactly which type you're interested in before going to the showroom or shopping online. Number 6, not testing assembly. Now, you're not going to go ahead and put together a new couch in the middle of a showroom floor at a furniture store. However, figuring out exactly what may be involved in the assembly process may be key. Normally, when you put together a couch, it only requires putting the legs in, but sometimes there's an Allen wrench. Sometimes there's 2 different sizes of Allen wrenches, and that's when you need to be careful and ask a few more questions before putting in your credit card. Number 7, forgetting about doorways. Now this is one of the most common mistakes in the furniture buying process. Not understanding the entire path of where the couch needs to go to its final resting place in your living room is a very big mistake. Measure your doorways, measure them twice even. Measure the angles that things have to go through to get from one place to another in your home. Understanding the journey of the couch from the doorway to your living room is extremely important because someone's gonna have to move it in there, and if the delivery guys can't do it, guess who it's gonna be? And finally, number 8, rushing your decision. Take your time with the couch buying process. Enjoy it, savor it as much as you can. You're gonna enjoy this couch for years to come, so compare your options. Use some visualization tools, read some articles, educate yourself. You will be happier that you did.